Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be testing the 3SDM2.5/25 submersible pump. This is a pump with a maximum head of 112 meters and a power of 1.1 kilowatts. Let's start with unboxing. Bog of all trades. I do everything and more. The shipping consists of 2 boxes, small control box, which looks something like this, has a short plug, and the pump is plugged into the box, and the pump itself. Pretty sturdy cardboard box, held on staples on both ends. Now this is a pump of the 3SDM family, meaning it is 3 inches wide, has plastic impellers, and is single phase, meaning it's very light and very simple to install and use. Refer to my next video. Finished. Now the lid can be opened and the pump can be retrieved. The output here is 1.25 inches, meaning it's perfect to install a 32 or a 40 millimeter pipe. This is a QQ pump brand, 3SDM 2.5/25 pump, 1.1 kilowatts. It has a head of 104 meters with 10 liters a minute flow, 83 meters with 40 liters per minute flow, and 45 meters when it's 60 liters per minute. Also, you can see the engine details here. It's a 3-inch pump. The engine is 1.5 horsepower. It's meant for 220 volts, although it could also be plugged into 230 volts, 50 hertz, 7.1 amp rated current. This pump should come with 5 meters of cable. That is about 5 meters, considering there's more cable here. Now this is 1.25 millimeter cable. Pretty thin, but enough. The reason we got this pump is because previously, you'll be able to see it in a future video, one of the pumps we bought from Viver broke. And so we need a new replacement, and this one is just a bit more powerful. And so let's plug this in to test it. For this, all we need to do is to open the control box. It's fixed on 4 screws. Just like that. And here we just have a circuit breaker, an on-off switch, and a capacitor. All we need to do is follow the instructions on the back of the lid. This bolts fell out. And here we have the connections for the motor. So we have connected it. We will be measuring the current. And now we're just going to lower it into our jacuzzi. I might make a video on it later. Let's go. You can switch it on now. As you can see, I was unable to block the flow of the water. That means it does a decent amount of pressure. We will be seeing how it works when we lower it into the borehole. And that's it for now. Until next time. As usual, the link to where I got the pump will be down in the description. So we've got the pump out and we can see it was well underwater. You could also feel that the